Hey guys, this is Game Dan 25 with a second video of the Flip 4 JBL by Harman. I will show you another sound test of another song what I found on YouTube and so on, and hopefully it won't be copyright. So yeah, let me show you guys what it looks like and how it moves the speaker and so on. Like, yeah, hopefully you guys can actually see it on the camera, but it sounds very good. It sounds very deep, the bass, and yeah, it sounds very clear also. Hopefully you guys can hear it on the mic or the phone, but yeah. So I'm gonna play one song and I'll basically control the volume with VLC, but yeah.
I am the Trap King, baby. I'm a true champion. I'm a true champion.
Yeah, so that's how it sounds. Hopefully you guys can actually hear the bass and you can hear the clarity of the Flip 4 by JBL. There is the other ones what's also out, but this one is a very nice one for when you're on the move and you just want to like play some nice songs with a lot of bass in it also. But the others also sound very nice. But yeah, this is the Flip 4. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, the second part of this JBL Flip 4. Like and subscribe, don't let anyone bring it down, and always try and stay positive. Cheers guys.